Hi, many of my weight loss patients who are taking injections such as Wegovy, Zepbound, or oftentimes diabetic injections such as Mounjaro and Ozempic will suffer bothersome side effects such as constipation, bloating, abdominal upset, heartburn, nausea. What if we had a product to deliver both nutrition as well as minimize these side effects? Super excited to announce the launching of Biocare as added to our e-store and office. Biocare has a proprietary blend of GI support along with high quality meal replacement in delicious flavors. Patients are able to minimize their symptoms such as constipation, diarrhea, nausea, abdominal pain, heartburn, at the same time receiving high quality nutrition. They will be more likely to continue with the weight loss medications as to not interrupt care or weight loss success, as well as feel better and not be bound by constipation or other abdominal discomforts. I'm super excited to announce we have them in chocolate, salted caramel chocolate, fruit, and strawberry cream. I hope you'll try them.